Good evening, esteemed guests of honors, speakers, faculty, and fellow graduates. I started my journey with CoRE to complete modules as part of the master's program with NUS. But not knowing what to expect, I came to experience that the initial modules were intensive, yet enriching in the manner of content and delivery.
Learning journey with CoRE has been most enjoyable and rewarding. Fellow graduates would agree with me that packing a whole level 5,000 postgrad module in a single week has been most intense and multiplied by 4. But this is also what makes this program most efficient and suitable for the busy executive.
I believe in continuous self-improvement and learning. As such, I try to keep abreast with the latest developments in the pharmaceutical industry, as well as trends and developments generally. This course helped me do that.
With 2 decades of vibrant experience in the field of regulatory compliance for pharmaceuticals and biopharmaceutical products, I was looking for a program which cannot just reinforce my learning so far, but give me the future perspective. I was looking for an institute which can offer me a whole new way to look at the regulatory compliance, where I can leverage my knowledge and expertise for the common good of a global community. The Duke-NUS emerged as the answer.
When I received news that I would be enrolled in a postgraduate certificate program as one of the ASEAN regulators awarded with the scholarship by the Duke CoRE NUS, I was very happy but nervous, as I never imagined how studying while working would be like. But the program was designed in such a smart way that it has enabled me to work and study at the same time. I learned a lot during the course, things that I never knew I'm still lacking even with my years of experience. Learning with other course mates ranging from the industry, academia, and other regulators has given me a broader insight into regulatory matters from different angles and perspectives.
This program not only focuses on lectures, we also need to solve the real-life case study or issue during practicum. We need to apply what we have learned, think critically, and discuss among our team members to come up with the solutions for the case. This session helps us to understand the topic better. Overall, this program has increased my regulatory knowledge and improved my decision-making skill at work.
I also found that the interactive learning through practicums and panel discussions were most valuable and industry relevant. This program has helped me gain a better appreciation and application of regulatory frameworks in my area of work, as well as growing my network.
It is especially relevant to working professionals in the industry, as the faculty comprise not just of academics, but also fellow working professionals and regulators from the various national agencies.
The faculty is amazing. They are competent, knowledgeable, approachable, friendly, and are always so helpful in giving constructive guidance and assistance.
The speakers are from different backgrounds, and the sharing of their knowledge and experiences during the workshop taught me the importance of looking things from various perspectives, not only from regulatory point of view.
The most relevant topics, panel of global experts, and an excellent cohort made this journey an incredible collaborative learning experience. The entire course vibrated the spirit of making regulatory compliance an enabler for public healthcare, which is need of an hour.
CoRE is experienced and committed to education and helping its students leapfrog on the experiences of both world-class regulators and veterans in select fields. This is evident when you see the effort that goes behind the carefully curated program to the competent speakers invited to share as faculties. Personally, it was fun going back to school with old friends and meeting new ones. One thing I'll surely miss will be when we cornered faculties in friendly debates and how we'll always end up with more possibilities than we did before.
I would like to take the opportunity to thank the faculty at CoRE and my fellow coursemates. Here's to wishing everyone all the best.
Thank you, CoRE, for offering this program with a curriculum which includes the regulatory requirements and challenges in ASEAN countries.
I would like to express my sincerest thanks to the CoRE Duke-NUS in rewarding me with the opportunity and has further equipped me to become a better regulatory pharmacist. I hope to see Duke CoRE NUS continue their strive in producing competent regulators from various backgrounds and fields of work in many more years to come.
I hope to be able to put to use what I've learned to make a positive change in my community, participate actively in helping to shape the ethical landscape of the pharmaceutical industry, as well as to volunteer with ethics committees. Thank you.
COVID stopped the world momentarily, but at Duke-NUS, together we kept moving. With digital meetings, with the seminars, with the programs, moving towards more rational, more scientific, more efficient way to implement regulatory compliance in such a way that it creates an ecosystem where everything is enabling better public healthcare globally.
We never grow old if we continue learning and bombarding our brains with new information and ideas. So I wish all of us in the pursuit of new knowledge each day, everlasting youth. Stay young and stay safe. And happy graduation, everyone.